Chocolate Emporium. And just like that, we're here.
See what they got. We have a reservation. Highly recommend you make a reservation for this place because it's hard to get into. We tried to come yesterday. As you noticed, we're probably in different clothes.
Yeah.
It was a no-go because they were booked and they had no openings. Luckily, we got one at 10:30. It's the only opening they had. One opening the next day, which is this is Sunday, the 16th of March. So let's go outside and check it out and get checked in. And we'll show you what we got from there, what we're getting at 10:30 in the morning. I'm not starving. What are we gonna eat? Let's go check out the menu.
Okay.
Go ahead. I'm behind you. The door is heavy, huh?
Oh, very heavy.
Oh, okay. I don't know how soon we can check in. It's only 15 after. So I got a gift shop. Let's go check out the gift shop while we wait to the confections they have here. Wow.
Oh, that's just wrong.
Yep, let's see what they got over here. They got cookies too. Look at the cookies. Cookie. Ah, look. Had the truffles.
Oh, I love those little hearts. Oh, the ones with the gears are cute. Look.
Yeah. And look at those. Isn't that nice looking? Wow.
That's amazing.
A couple other treats.
Look at those.
And, like a mason jar.
Uh-huh.
Look at that. What is that? Chocolate croissant roll. Made of rice crispy. Those are huge. And apples. For the candy apples, that's a new taste. Oh, pink Himalayan salted bacon. Just a bacon. Now that takes bacon lover to a new level there. Yeah, this is all part of the gift shop here.
On your steampunk hat.
Yep. Should have worn my steampunk hat. I have one of those actually. And you can get a t-shirt. Looks nice. Might wind up getting that one. How much is this thing? $27. Not bad. Not bad. Good quality. What's that, baby? You want some sweets?
Look at all that candy.
There's candy. Well, I mean, we are at a factory that makes candy, right?
Candy and chocolate.
Chocolate and candy. Wow. I think we're all waiting to get checked in, waiting on them to open. But there's some more t-shirts. Those look nice. Got some really nice t-shirts here. I'll have to try and see. What is that? What is that?
I think it's a chocolate covered marshmallow.
Okay, that's huge.
Yeah.
That's part of the makings there. You can see that from the outside. Wow. Now what's going on over here? You hear it all running through. You hear all the chocolate. Wow. You hear all the chocolate?
I hear it.
It's a lot of chocolate. Yeah, see it in there?
Wow. Look at that. Look at that.
Wow, let's see if I can zoom in on there. I got the GoPro filming right now, so I didn't bring my Sony SV1.
Milkshakes and sundaes.
Oh wow.
Espresso buzz.
Oh wow, check it out. There's the menu. This is like a little bar area over here. You can come in and get some of these things. Red velvet. Thrilled the vanilla. It up, so we're not going to bother them too much. This is all ice cream, and there's a seating area over here. But Marcy's waiting to get in. She's ready to try some chocolate. You ready to try some chocolate bacon for breakfast since it's 10:30 in the morning?
I don't want chocolate bacon, but they got a million things here.
Yeah, look at all of that. Man, this is like a sugar overload here. Greenish one? Yep. You want one of those?
I don't know, maybe.
You gonna try that one?
There's so much.
Look at all the jars with the chocolate on top.
That's this. Look, oh, look, I would look at this.
Oh my. Oh my. Alrighty, we are about to be seated. Here we go. Alrighty.
He's right over here. If you need the restrooms, be down this hallway over here to your left.
Okay.
And then Strawberry will be right with you.
Thank you. There is an upstairs section, so if you're okay with walking upstairs, we'll go up here and check out this area. If they don't stop me and say, hey, what are you doing up here? This is what it looks like from up here. Wow. Wow. So much bigger up here. Oh my goodness. Check this out. This is nice. You can see Marcy down there. That's where we're sitting at. But I'm up here checking everything out up here. Wow, this is so much bigger upstairs than it is downstairs. Oh, there's the gift shop we were in. Check it out, they got a big old bar up here too. And there's your view of CityWalk over here. Like a little private area if you got a little party going on. And we're gonna go back down these steps right here and see what they got on the menu. And here's a quick shot of the menu. Got a lot of nice appetizers on there. They've got some flatbreads and some salads. Got some soups. Then they have a brunch. Oh, look at the brunch there. I don't know, might have some waffles. I bet you they're really good here. Then they have the sandwich and burgers. Prices are not too bad. Considering you're in a theme park area, you're at CityWalk. This is all part of the CityWalk at Universal. And the pricing here is about, it's actually not as bad as some of the other restaurants that are here. Get out, this is one of their staples here. This is their warm chocolate almond bread. I hear a lot of things about it. And we are gonna give that a try here in just a second. Marcy, what are you finding over there? Are you finding us a drink?
Everything. No, I'm still on the food. There's so much good stuff.
There is. Her recommendations, it's 10:30 in the morning. Her recommendation was the patty melt if you're gonna do the brunch. And that looks pretty good. That's huge though. And she also recommended the, what was the other thing she recommended?
Right here.
Yeah, she recommended the Monte Cristo.
And the patty melt.
And a patty melt. And the patty melt I talked about. And she also recommended something else. But I'm just not feeling those things right now. So let me see what else I can come up with. Oh, the other thing she recommended was the Southern Fried Chicken BLT. If you want to stop in for a quick little treat, have one of these. These milkshakes are to die for.
Don't forget to flip to the other side.
Oh, there's another side. Look at that. Wow. That's all the desserts they have here. Can you believe a chocolate restaurant has desserts like this? Looks like it's mostly chocolate. I bet you that strawberry shortcake is good though. It's a chocolate coffee banana martini. And I'm not a big martini drinker, but Marcy is. I'm not a martini drinker, but man, that is so good. That is my drink. Here, baby. Now I can't wait to see your face.
Whew. It's gonna be one of those.
It's got some alcohol in it.
Yeah, but it does, but it's not pungent. It's real smooth.
Yeah, it's a really smooth drink.
God, that's good.
Look what came. Baby, is your yam? Are you ready to try your yam?
You know that's not a yam.
It's not a yam. It looks like a lamb. What is it?
Kind of chocolate.
It's bread. It's a burnt piece of bread.
It's not burnt.
It's not burnt?
Oh, I don't know. I want to taste
chocolate.
it.
Marcy, go ahead. You be the first to try this thing. Gotta put a little butter on there. Gotta watch out for the background music too, because the copyright
The
is
French are well known for eating chocolate and bread together. They eat chocolate sandwiches in France.
All right, let's dive in and you tell me what you think. Is that the best bread you ever had?
Yes, it is. The very best.
It's Sunday. Marcy's not in church, and I don't think that's why she said what she said. What did you just say?
I said, this is so good, I feel like I need to confess it to my priest.
So you're saying this is a sin to eat this, huh?
If it's
sinful,
not, it should be.
It's sinfully chocolatey deliciousness. Look at them fingers. She's got chocolate all over the place.
Hello, how are we over here?
We are
Take a look,
good.
We've got the chocolate coffee banana, we've got the warm chocolate almond bread. You've not used nearly enough butter, so let's...
Nah, we're saving room. We're saving room for that stuff.
But let's take a look, let's take a look. We've got far too much greenery. And the patty milk. All right, that's all right. That's drunk.
Oh,
I thought you said the other way. She said going this way. This is my sister. This is my sister Penelope.
Hello.
Hello.
And this is, well, I didn't catch their names, but I would imagine if I had to guess, this is George and Amelia.
Close.
What's your name?
Mitch.
Mitch.
Marcella.
Marcella.
That's close.
Mitch and Marcella.
Mitch and Marcella.
That's pretty close.
Shall we allow?
Oh, yes. Please, tuck in. Don't.
Our food has arrived, and this is what it looks like. What you got, baby?
Waldorf chicken salad with dried apple slices.
Oh, dried apple slices, huh? Like that?
Yep.
That's a dried apple slice? Oh, wow. You're in for a treat.
See how he does me?
That was good.
Apple slice. That's good.
Yeah. You're going to take a big old spoonful, or how's this work? Eat it like a regular salad?
Hang on.
Marcy's trying to get her food. Oh, that keeps popping. Thank
Some
you.
more dressing and salt and
Thank you.
pepper.
Thank you.
Very
How is
good.
it, baby? Like on a French toast, it's humongous. It is. Gotta probably need some of that.
That's a patty melt.
It's a patty melt, but it's, wow, how do you eat this thing? It's like this piled on top. You can smell the sweetness. But wow, what a patty melt. This is something else here. I'm not sure how to eat this thing. It's like a big hodgepodge. Oh my.
And then this way. And then this way. And
You like it?
Wow. I've never had anything like that.
So what does it taste like?
So it's a patty melt, like a regular patty melt, but this is French toast. So it's got a sweet and not so sweet taste that mix together.
Sweet and savory.
And it's really good. And I haven't even got to the eggs or the bacon yet. And the bacon is pretty thick. That's how thick the bacon is. Oh my goodness. This is,
It does look delicious.
wow. That is good. That's like breakfast and lunch all in one. Perfect combo. Perfect combo. Hadn't even tried the potatoes yet. These are potatoes. They're okay, but man, that's, if I was coming here, this is what I'd get again. I would order this again. So get out here and let me finish my food. Oh, the second floor. Baby, you see that couple down there? See that couple down there?
Yeah.
Let me zoom in on them. Hold on, they're gonna be there in just a second. I'm gonna zoom in and they'll talk to you.
Okay.
Oh wow, that was quick. We made it down here that fast, like that. How'd you like your food, sweetie?
Oh, it was a wonderful restaurant. The food was great. It was a one-of-a-kind experience. You
Yeah,
have to come here. I mean, it's...
Yeah, we would definitely come back here, but here's the problem. Reservation, that's a big problem here.
Make them ahead of time.
We tried the whole weekend to get in here. We came here, couldn't get in, couldn't get a reservation, couldn't make a reservation. I tried over and over on the app to make a reservation. That was a no-go. And this morning, after we ate breakfast, it popped up and said there was a 10:30 slot available, so we jumped on it.
We did, even though we just ate breakfast.
Yeah, we didn't eat a lot of the food that you saw in the video. We took a couple bites of each thing, tried a little bit of everything. I didn't get a picture of the bill, but we got the...
It wasn't bad.
We saw the salad. You got the... we got the salad. We got the patty melt, the cocktail, the bread, and 2 waters. And it was $63 and some change. 63 bucks. Not bad for this kind of place.
Their food is beautiful. Their atmosphere is like nothing I've ever seen.
Yep. So we would definitely be back again. We would definitely recommend, out of all the restaurants I think that are here in CityWalk, this would be my go-to. That, and we've ate at the Hard Rock before, and that was pretty good too. This is tops, I think.
This is like a, I don't know, it's sort of like a fantasy type place.
It is.
And everybody's in character, and you saw the picture of the robot.
Yeah, it was really, really good. So if you like the video, then do something really good for us.
Like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And I want to hear your comments if you've been here.
Yeah, tell us what you would have ordered and what's good. We tried to order what she said was the main things, but if you tried something that's really good that hey, you shouldn't have ordered that, here's what you should order. Leave us a comment. And that's it.
See you soon.
Alrighty, bye.